Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect GoPro to QUIK app. So first put your camera into pairing mode and then use the app to search for it. So what we are going to do is we will swipe down to get to the menu and then swipe left, then head over to the preferences right here, then choose wireless connection, then again choose connect the device, and then you will see GoPro QUIK app, just like that, as you can see. Now we will jump into our app. So now in the app, let's go here down below at the right corner you see GoPro icon, click on that and then click this blue button connect a GoPro. And as you can see now, the app found the camera, connect, and connection is successful. So name your GoPro, leave as first one, just like that. I will do this later. So as you can see now, our GoPro is ready to use. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next